You're going to start this hairstyle by doing a lace braid on each side. If you're not comfortable doing a lace braid, a simple braid would also work well. A lace braid just means taking hair in from one side. So on this side of her hair, I will only be adding hair into the braid from the right hand side. Once I hit the ear, I won't be adding in any more pieces, but we'll just do a regular braid the rest of the way. Repeat the lace braid on the left-hand side, and this time you add in hair from the left-hand side. Again, you're going to stop adding in pieces once you hit the ear and just do a regular braid the rest of the way. Take both of those braids and join them together at the back. Take the half ponytail and flip it under. This will help create the heart-shaped pieces, and then you want to divide it in half. With each half, you're going to separate it into 3 and pull each of the 3 strands through a different stitch of the braid. When you're pulling it through, it helps to hold on to the upper loop of the heart so it doesn't get pulled all the way through. Repeat this same process on the other side. I find that spraying with water helps keep the pieces more manageable and smooth. Tie each heart off with an elastic, starting with the smallest heart and working your way out to the biggest.